So for a lot of people just getting started with either a fortified breakfast cereal and a B12 supplement that they take can be a great way to go. If you've been diagnosed with a deficiency, or if you're over age 50, absolutely a vitamin B12 supplement is a wonderful idea. And if you have a clear deficiency, if you've been diagnosed, actually 1,000 micrograms per day is what's recommended under the care of your physician. So fortified foods, supplements, there's lots of different ways of getting this B12. I like sublingual B12. If you have a severe deficiency, a B12 shot can be a great way to go as well, but those do require a prescription and they can cost a little bit more. So for a lot of people just getting started with either a fortified breakfast cereal and a B12 supplement that they take can be a great way to go. One of the differences in B12 between found in food naturally and fortified is that in animal protein, you need lots of stomach acid to physically unlock that B12 from the animal protein. Whereas if you're taking fortified breakfast cereal or a fortified, say, soy milk, or even a supplement, you don't need that stomach acid to unlock that B12. The B12 arrives already in a form that can then be absorbed, further down in your gastrointestinal tract.